Go home happy with the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, turbocharged engine, tires all season, lane keeping assist, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.